So if you have a nicheless channel or a channel that covers a wide variety of topics, I'm going to tell you the #1 setting that you need to turn off and why it matters. So my channel, the Be Hamburgers channel, is a classic example of this. I have a wide variety of interests, and so I make videos on a wide variety of topics. And this, of course, is an easy way to confuse the algorithm and make it kind of unsure as to who to recommend your video to or what your channel is really about. And these channels are notoriously slow growing channels. Another reason this can be hard is because even if you have a wide variety of interests, those interests usually aren't applicable to all subscribers. And so if you get subscribers that subscribe for one thing, they probably don't want to watch all your videos, and that's okay. You know, honestly, it's okay if your subscribers don't watch all your videos. I think it's totally fine if they just watch the ones that they're interested in. And hopefully your topics are widely interesting enough that they'll watch a majority of them. And so if this is the case for you, here is the setting that is the most important one and why. And it's this setting right here. It's the one that says publish to subscription feeds / notify subscribers. Basically, the way I like to think about this box is that this is going to push it out primarily to your subscribers and into that little box thing that says subscriptions off to the left side. And so all the people that subscribe to you are mainly going to see this video, and they're going to be the ones that YouTube pushes this video to first. And that's going to be the main test audience. And so if those people don't respond, they don't click, they don't watch, or they don't watch a lot of it, then your video is going to tank. Now, if you uncheck this box, what I think it really does, and this is just from my own opinion, is that it's going to push your video out more naturally to the algorithm, and it's going to let it grow more organically and test itself out in the wild. And that's what you want on this kind of channel. You want to let your videos stand on their own merit. If you make a good video, then it should be able to perform well without your subscriber base, because you don't really need subscribers on YouTube in 2025. Well, if you want to be monetized, you do, but after 1,000, they're not as important. That's what people say. Now, the one other thing you might say is, well, Joseph, but isn't there an issue with if I do have subscribers that do watch all my content? Like, I want them to see it. Like, I feel like that's important. Well, don't worry, because the people that already regularly watch your video are going to still get pushed to your video, because YouTube already knows that they come back for every single video that you publish. So I've done this on a majority of my videos, and I think it actually gives them a better chance at getting more views. Some have done that, of course, some have not, and that's probably my fault. But in the end, I think if you're a nicheless channel, this is a setting that you should probably keep unchecked a majority of the time. That's my personal opinion. Hope this helps you. Subscribe for more interesting content over a wide variety of topics, and we'll see you next time, fam.